Today I'm going to show you how to track user from your website. I'm going to use Ajax, JSON, PHP and MySQL. I'm using ipapi.co as my API. Let me just show you how it works. Copy the link, paste it in blank page. So as you see, so much details are being taken from the user. This is the IP address, network, subnet, version, IPv4, city, your region, nationality, latitude, longitude, time zone, offset, UTC, country calling code, currency, country population, service provider, internet service provider. So much details are being taken from the user. Using JSON, this link outputs JSON out response. As you have seen over here, this is JSON response. So after it returns JSON response, the response is sent to the PHP file named user tracking.php. It's being posted using method post. After it has been posted to PHP, PHP will handle the JSON response sent. If the data is being saved to the database, we would put nothing in the console log. If an error occurs, then the Ajax request error will be displayed. The PHP user tracking.php code is as follows. As you see over here, we included the database connection. After we included the database connection, we pass the post data or the data posted from the JSON response, all these details. So the detail which is not found is just date. This is the date created. I'm getting the current date the user visited the website and the MAC address. To get MAC address, you need to execute the shell execution. You pass the IP address. You pass the IP address, then this code, all of this code returns the MAC address of the computer or of the device used to access your website using the IP address passed from the post JSON response. Then you will track the user agent. This is the browser, maybe Chrome, Opera, current URL, the URL which users visited currently, referral URL, the URL on which the users went or wanted to visit. Then you will insert the data into the database. Insert into user IP info. After there, we return response status message. Data insert is successful or an error if the error happens, and we close the connection. Let me just show you that table. So this is my database. The table which I used to store the details is user IP info. So these are details. User data which I have stored, which I have already stored there. Too much, of course, too much. MAC address, referral URL that created the current URL, user agent as you see. OG, this is the internet service provider, Airtel Tanzania, operation, country area. These are details, of course. Then let me just show you how the details are being displayed. So this is how the details I have displayed them from the database. These are details so much which I've been tracking in my website. All these are details, user details who have visited my website. Like this. These are details. If you need much details to track from users, you can visit ipapi.com and bill. This is free subscription. You cannot track much detail from user, but if you need much detail from user, you can just subscribe, or you can buy according to your money. The price is here: $10, $50, $100. It's up to you how much detail do you want to track from user. So if you want much detail, do not use free subscription. Just use standard business or business pro subscription. That's how you can track much detail as you can. Let me just show you. If you have subscribed already, you can just track all these details: time zone ID, time zone code, current time, GMT, daylight saving time, currency. All these details you can track them when you have already subscribed. But in free subscription does not contain all of these details. I think that's how you can track user in your website using HTML or CSS, Bootstrap. Those are front end, but back end you can use Ajax, jQuery, MySQL, and PHP. There are other programming language which you can use, such as Java and Python. I think you have understood, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.